Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE, and my name is Bharati. This video is a small evaluation of our understanding. Yes, here we have a quiz on nouns. Let me recall. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, bird, or a thing. Now, let us move on. Pick out the nouns. Now you have a quiz. You have 10 questions. The time to answer each question is 10 seconds. Once the time is up, the answer will pop out. Each question carries 1 point. You can calculate your point as per the correct answers. Now let's begin. Now, that's it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. You can even post your score in the comment box. Please hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also leave your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.